Okay, let's connect Google Workspace, Google Suite email IDs to Mystrika. To do that, you need to come on the Home tab, click on Add Email ID, select Google Workspace as G Suite oAuth, and then this is the important part. First, you need to go to Google Workspace admin. So I'm just going to copy this link, open it here. So it asks for password, account password, logged in, and then you need to click on this add app and then oAuth app name or client ID. And here you need to search Mystrika. So copy this client ID, just copy it, come here, search for it, and then you have it. So you just select it, click it, select. So for here we are giving all users, and then mark it as trusted, continue, and then finish. It will give a error to me because I have already done that. Mystrika is already part of my workplace, but for you guys it might be the first time. So once you have done that, let's add those email IDs. So click on continue to Google. Okay, use another account. Just going to use a different account to show you guys. Okay, password. So this is a brand new account. So it is asking me that you understand Google's terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. Click on I understand. And then it is asking to create a new password because in the admin panel, I have not disabled the first time password change. So there you go. Click on change password. Okay, now it will ask for sign into Mystrika. Yes. Do you want to allow Mystrika? Yes. Let's give it a minute. And then you see it is all done. So let's search for that account. Just going to refresh the home page, search for this account, and you see it has been connected now. So if I turn off and turn it back on, it should be able to work. It should be able to activate. So basically IMAP and SMTP both works on this account. If ever you want to reconnect, you can click on reconnect here and you just click on reauthorize, and then you will go through the same process, and that's it. So you can select again and basically reauthorize in case these email IDs gets disconnected without hampering your campaign. So there you have it, folks. OAuth authentication using Mystrika for Google Workplaces.